Fun with fire. Tonight we're doing a little fountain from TNT. It's called Wild Dog. Wild Dog. Looks like there's a dog fight going on here. Look at those teeth. Ooh. Looks like a dog fight going on. I don't condone dog fighting, but I do condone fireworks. Yeah, that's not cool. Wow. Anyway, here's the code. The 20293. Or is it the SS30C? Safe and sane, I guess is what S and S stands for. I don't know. Mid showers of sparks. No performance. Let's check out Wild Dog from TNT Fireworks. All right, I think it is time to release the hounds. Here it goes. She's lit. Wild Dog. Oh, nice. Sweet. Lightly drizzling. Wild Dog. No crackle. Wild Dog.